from the Offshore Technology Conference 2008. I'm JB Avants with Oil, Gas, and Petrochem Equipment Magazine and PennEnergy.com. And we're going about the show with about 2,500 exhibitors looking at some of the hottest and the most important products that are for oil and gas. And I'm very, very pleased to have Richard Blend here from Panasonic. Most of us know about the Panasonic Toughbook. There are a number of new upgrades that have come out. And Richard's been kind enough to come over today and show us just how tough the Toughbook is. First, Richard, what do you think about the show this year?
Oh, it's fantastic. The audience this year is, they're really here to learn, to find out stuff, what's going on, and we've really had great traffic at our booth.
Well, the main thing is, how tough is it? And Richard's going to show us a couple of the features. Besides all of the amazing technologies, is the toughness of the product being used out in the oil and gas field, where it faces everything from heat, pressure, grease, oil, and clumsiness.
As well as water.
As well as water, and we're looking forward to that part. Okay?
I'll let you help me on that part of the demonstration, JB.
How many of you have really thought about pouring water on your computer other than dropping your coffee on it at the office? Just pour it on there.
Yep.
Seriously.
All over.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
So there you go. There's an example of toughness. Now, if you'll step back here, JB, just let me hand this to you.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. He dropped it.
It's still working.
But, there's one more thing that we always like to do. If you'll just come around here, why don't you stand up on it? Actually, he's not as big as I am, so you did this real well, but let me just show him here. Okay, so there's both of us on it.
That's amazing.
And it's still running. So
tell how does this happen in a nutshell? Is it the enclosure? Is it the tough electronics? So exactly what are you doing there as a whole?
Well, what you're really seeing here is 15 years of experience in really designing these things from the ground up. Panasonic and our parent company, Matsushita, is a industrial manufacturer. This is an industrial tool manufactured to meet the needs of people that work outside and need something that they can depend on. We have our own factory in Kobe, Japan, where we manufacture these. Unlike other manufacturers that outsource all their manufacturing, we build our own products. Full magnesium case, outdoor readable screen, touch screen, sealed, so that's why it could withstand the water and everything. So
what about grease, oil?
Same thing.
Drop it in a barrel of crude, but we wouldn't want to. Everything, all of the hazards and the tough part, the demands of the field are handled, can be withstood by this.
Right. There's actually a military specification for ruggedness. It's called Mil Spec A10F.
Right.
And if you've ever seen the specification, it is literally a book this big. Now, some people say they are Mil Spec 810F compliant. What that means is they've run a couple of the tests. We are actually certified. We run all 14 tests by a third party, and we pass all of them. But in addition to that, we're also, Underwriters Laboratory has a specification for hazardous environments called UL 1604 Class 1 Div 2, and we also pass that certification as well. So not only can I use it outside and I don't have to worry about it, I can also take it right up on the rig floor and use it there as well. This is the new Intel Centrino Duo processor in here. And again, this gives you the power to be able to do the kinds of things that you need to do, whether it's looking at maps on a pipeline or looking at well information or looking at drilling information up on the rig floor. This has the processing power, and it also has built-in wide area wireless. So Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, standard, but then optionally you can get wide area wireless. So anywhere I can get cell phone coverage, I can get broadband. This is a convertible tablet, and so again, if the guy is out there walking around, he's got a touch screen, he's out there, he can take measurements, he can take data, and it really is a tool.
Okay. You have it one more time?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
You promise?
Yeah.
Okay. Richard, thank you. It will be Panasonic.com. The web address will be listed at the end of this demonstration, and we do appreciate you joining us at OTC.
Oh, thank you very
Thanks
much.
again.
Thank you.